Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever looked at a static design and thought, this could use a little life, then this video is for you. Today, I'll be showing you exactly how to animate on Canva in 2025, step by step. Whether you're designing for social media, presentations, or just want to give your projects that extra spark. By the end of this video, you'll know how to bring any still image to life with smooth, eye-catching motion. Alright, let's get started. First, open up Canva and head into the project where you want to add animation. You can start with a blank canvas, an existing design, or even one of Canva's ready-made templates. Once you're in, upload your image, or pick one straight from Canva's huge image library. Now, click on your image to select it. You'll see a toolbar appear at the top of your screen, and that's where the magic happens. Look for the Animate button and click it. This opens up Canva's animation panel, where you'll find a variety of effects designed to give your visuals motion and personality. Take a moment to scroll through the options. You'll see everything from subtle fades and bounces to more dynamic effects like pan, drift, and rise. Each one creates a different mood, so hover over an effect to instantly preview how it looks. For example, let's try the ink animation. Click on it, and you'll see your image smoothly blend into motion. Canva automatically applies the animation and gives you a quick live preview, so you can tweak it until it feels just right. And here's a pro tip. You can adjust the duration and intensity of certain animations to control how fast or smooth they appear. Just play around until it fits your style. Once you're happy with how everything looks, play your design to make sure it animates perfectly. Then, when you're ready to export, go up to the download button. From here, you can choose to export it as a GIF or video file, depending on where you plan to use it. Both options keep your animation crisp and ready to share anywhere. And that's it. You've just turned a still photo into an animated design using Canva. Simple, fast, and super effective. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what kind of animations you'll be trying next. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.